In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Temu app, making your online shopping experience smooth and straightforward. First, you'll want to start by going to the Temu website for the United Arab Emirates. Here you'll find a wide range of categories including clothing, beauty, home, and jewelry, allowing you to explore the latest offerings and potentially discover some great deals that suit your needs and preferences. Once you're on the home page, look for the highlighted section. This is where Temu usually showcases their best deals or new arrivals. Clicking on the highlighted items can often help you spot significant discounts and interesting finds quickly, saving you time while ensuring you don't miss out on any exciting offers. After exploring the site and finding something you like, such as an item marked down by 86%, you'll want to add it to your cart. Simply click on the Add to Cart button. Adding items to your cart doesn't commit you to purchasing them just yet, so feel free to browse and accumulate a selection of desired products. With your chosen items in your cart, the next step is to review your selection by clicking on the Go to Cart option. This is a great opportunity to double check everything you've added, ensuring all the sizes, colors, and quantities are correct before proceeding. If everything looks good, you might see a prompt for a special offer, like a last day for 73.7% off. It's worth clicking on this prompt to take full advantage of possible further discounts that Temu might be offering. Following that, the next step is proceeding to checkout. Here, you'll need to choose your preferred mode of payment. The Temu app offers various payment options, so pick the one that you're most comfortable with, whether it's credit card, debit card, or another method. Choosing your payment mode carefully ensures a seamless transaction and sets the stage for any promotional discounts to be automatically applied. Now comes the crucial part, entering your card details. Ensure your details are correct and double check for accuracy to avoid any issues with the payment process. It's essential to keep these details secure, perhaps considering the use of a virtual card for added security. Finally, with everything filled out and ready, the last step is to click on Submit Order. At this point, you'll likely receive a confirmation of your order along with an estimate of when your items will be shipped. This step seals the deal, and shortly you'll be able to enjoy your new purchases from Temu. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully ordered and paid for items on the Temu app. Stay tuned for more guides and walkthroughs on making the most of your online shopping experiences. Have fun shopping and enjoy your new finds from Temu.